How to make money with YouTube Shorts video, guys. Here I'm going to show you how you can make money with YouTube Shorts, simple and easy ways. Before that, you need to read this article from Google. Here they've said a couple of days ago that YouTube Shorts creator gonna get paid. Now it's not that 100 million fund here that you can see. These people, the creators, can able to get between $100 to $10,000 every single month. This is not an actual YouTube partner program. YouTube will pick those short creators, and if those shorts, for example, a creator creates shorts videos and they're getting highest engagement like views every single month, they can get paid somewhere between $100 to $10,000, guys. Now, at the moment, these are the countries are allowed to get paid, like Brazil, India, Indonesia, Japan, Mexico, Nigeria, Russia, South Africa, UK, and USA. These countries, so if the creators are from these countries, they can get paid from Google itself or YouTube for creating shorts video, guys. All you have to do is you have to create shorts within 180 days, and if your shorts have highest engagement, then you can get paid. And one more important thing, never ever create copy and paste video. For example, copy video from TikTok and paste it on here. If you do that, you are not qualified for that. So you need to create your own content. Now in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can make money with YouTube Shorts, creating simple 20-second videos, guys. Now, even though you are not get paid from Google in the beginning, then you can make a money from your create video, guys. I'm going to walk you through step-by-step method. Watch the video until the end. Show your support by liking this video, and if this video get over 100 likes in 24 hours, I will do a £10 giveaway on the next video, guys. So you have to, if you watch the video, all you have to do click the like button, guys. Now when you come to YouTube, all you have to do is type this thing, hashtag shorts and the plus sign. Now if you did that, these are the keywords next to the shorts, people are searching on it, and these are the keywords are trending on Google, like shorts, weight loss, affiliate marketing, travel, gadget, fitness, woodworking, these things, guys. So here what you have to do is you need to create a simple videos. Even 20-second is fine. You don't have to create a 60-second videos, even though if you create that 60-second videos, not many people are going to watch that until the end. So you need to create a simple 20 to 30-second or 40-second videos with the information they want to watch. So I'm going with weight loss niche on here. So what you have to do here, you need to go to Google, do these things, go to Google and type a weight loss exercise, and there's a bunch of articles will open up. For example, this is the article I'm interested. It's about 8 exercise for weight loss. These exercise that you can do from your home or in the gym, but there are 8 exercises to lose weight. Then you can say like walking, jogging, cycling, weight training, interval training, and swimming. So what I did is I picked 6 of these things. Then I went to this amazing tool that you must have. It's called CANVA. You can create anything on CANVA, like from TikTok videos to Instagram posts to everything that you can create it on here. And also you can get your royalty free videos and audios from here. I'm going to show you how. There's a link here. You can create it. You can click and create your free account with it, guys. Now when you go to Canva, click this one called create a design, and you're going to click called TikTok video. After that, what you have to do, basically you're going to find a video for each category. For example, here you can see here, this is about swimming, cycling. So I did it one already that you can see here. This is about here, you can see, I need to delete this part here. You can see here, walking, jogging, cycling. Actually these are videos. If I click play it, then you can see here, this is actually a video with the background music in the added behind. That you can see these are video, guys. I'm going to show you how you can create this video in 5 minutes. So what you have to do when you open this platform, all you have to go to the left hand side of the tool and click is called video section on here. This is the here. On here you need to search the topic. For example, if it's yoga, search for it, and you can use these videos are completely free. What you do, download it. You don't have to download it, just click it, it will appear on here. Now this is the second important part here. Don't just keep this video in this size, because when there are people watching short video is in the vertical format, or even though for the TikTok is vertical format, so you need to keep the video for the full screen. So what you do, try the video to make it bigger. Now when you make this videos bigger, some of the part will cut down. Yes, definitely will cut down. But what you do, you can find the video that people are in the center part of it. So when you enlarge it, those people are all becoming bigger and they will fit into the frame. Or you can see here, you can see put this person in the mix, click outside it, click the video here, that you can see is 17 seconds long, right? So what you can do is find the part there's people inside the frame and you can crop it out like this one here. That you can see, drag and crop on here and crop like that. So you can see this person is inside the frame. Now you can see if I play it for 8 seconds, you can see that this person is inside that frame. Now you see there's a video is ready, there's no empty part in the bottom or top, so there's a full videos on the frame. Now what you do, go to text button and type the headline that you want, like a walking, doing yoga, like that. You're gonna put frame by frame, like I did it on here, like 8 frame. But this is this part called intro, that you can see 6 exercise for weight loss, and this 6 method are here that you can see here. See, these are the 6 part in here. After that, there's end part where I'm gonna earn money. So you can see, want to learn other ways to lose weight fast, check the description. Never ever click the link or buy the product, because people are not going to take action when it comes to money involved. So what you have to do, you need to give a value, something like that, say check the description. So they will go to the description. Now what you have to do, go to Google and type a weight loss affiliate program. You don't have to promote ClickBank affiliate program or Digistore affiliate program, because these are the product we can make what we call is over competitive. So lots of people are promoting it and the people know about those products. So you need to have something fresh, something new. So what you do, go to Google and search for it. So you can see weight loss affiliate program, or you can see cycling affiliate program, or you can see how piano affiliate program. There's a lots of other affiliate program other than ClickBank, guys. So you can see these are the articles about 12 affiliate program on weight loss niche. So you can see, you can pick one of it, join it, you can promote it, you can make a passive income from it in the initial from YouTube Shorts video before you get paid from YouTube, guys. This is the one part. The second part is you can even promote a product. Like if you are creating, you can see on the weight loss niche, then you can promote instruments like fitness equipment. So you can go to Amazon, create a find an Amazon products on there. You can promote it if you want, guys, if you don't want to promote weight loss affiliate programs. Now you can see there's a lots of other ways that you can make money from YouTube Shorts. There's a couple of series I'm going to make a video one after this one, and different niches, so you can make a videos on it. I'm going to show you how you can find those videos, how you can make a fresh and simple and easy videos rather than copying someone else's video, guys. And I hope, guys, you understand this video. Again, guys, if you really like this video, show us your support by subscribe to my channel, clicking the like button on the bottom of the video. Until that, have a good day. See you next video.